हेलो बच्चों, अब हम सीखते हैं ABCD अल्फ़ाबेट। दिस इज कैपिटल लेटर और दिस इज लोअर केस अल्फ़ाबेट। दिस इज लोअर केस, दिस इज अपर केस। A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, A for apple. Very nice. This is A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, A for apple. This is lowercase alphabet. A for apple, 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 A for apple. This is A for apple. अब हम बनाएंगे B for ball, 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 B for ball. A for apple, B for ball, B for ball. This is uppercase alphabet. This is lowercase alphabet. B for ball, 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 B for ball. Kids, this is B for ball. What next? What next, kids? इसके बाद क्या आएगा? C for cat, 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 C for cat. Kids, this is uppercase alphabet. अब हम बनाएंगे लोअर केस. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. This is C for cat. अब हम बनाते हैं D for dog. This is D for dog, 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 D for dog. This is D for dog. Kids, this is D for dog, D for dog, D for dog. This is D for dog. Very nice. D for dog. D for dog. This is uppercase. अब हम बनाते हैं लोअर केस d. This is lower case alphabet. D for dog. 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 Kids, this is D for dog. Very nice. बच्चों, आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। बाय बाय।